Yo, welcome to the channel, man. What's good, man? Where y'all been? Look. Granddaddy gave me an old shotgun, you feel me? Shotgun taller than me, you heard me? Yeah, shotgun taller than me, you heard me? So look. Hey, I ain't never shot it before. Y'all hear that noise? I swear to God what that is. But today, man, we're gonna put some holes in some shit, you feel me? We're gonna put some holes in some shit. See that? Look at that. Let's see if I can shoot behind my back. Yeah. All right, so boom. That's what we doing. That's what we shooting. I'm finna take this 12 gauge and blow some bottles away, you heard me? So man, before I get into this shit, bro, like, comment, subscribe. I don't know if this shit gonna shoot, and if it don't, I'm a wasting my damn 357 SIG bullets, and I don't wanna do it, okay? So, like, comment, subscribe. Let's go ahead and get this bitch on the road, cause bro, I got to go. You feel me? Finna tear these bitches up. We about 5-7 feet. If a bird come through, y'all might see that bitch fall too. No cap. I ain't come to play today. You feel me? I wanna feel this 12 gauge. You feel me? I wanna feel it. This is my first time feeling it, bro. I wanna feel it. Should've brought the other one just in case this bitch don't work, but it's cool. Y'all keep on singing. Y'all don't know what y'all win for. Yeah, give me a light. Yeah. And we shooting on right there. That's what we shooting. You know, heavy loads, you know what I'm saying? I don't even know what the hell they is, but I seen them at the gun store when I was picking up, and I was like, shit, I might as well go ahead and get a box. Might as well go ahead and get a little box. Let's get it, man. I don't even know what that noise is. I probably should check on that damn. Oh man. Let me see. Where's my button? Boy, this shit don't even sound promising. Man, this shit don't even hold, man. Damn. I wanna feel the shoot. That bitch a shoot though. So we just gonna act like this bitch a single shot. I don't even give a fuck, cause I wanna feel it. I don't give no fucks. I wanna feel it. I wanna feel it. That shit hurt too. I swear to God, that bitch hurt. None given. I wanna feel it. None given. I wanna feel it. None given. Ooh. I wanna feel it, boy. What's next? I bet your bird won't come through. I bet a bird. Ooh, boy, that soda smell good out there. Give me a light. Give me a light. All right, give me a light. Give me a light. Give me a light. Say something dumb. I dare you. Give me a light. Say something dumb. I dare you. Something dumb. I dare you. Say something dumb. I dare you. Say something dumb. I dare you. Well, guys, I do have a problem though, cause my bitch don't hold shells. You feel me? I need my bitch to hold shells. You feel me? But other than that, man, y'all seen the video. Y'all seen me pop this bit. Y'all know I don't stop. You feel me? Yep. Stevens Model 77F, Savage Arms. How many do it hold? 1. Shit, till I do some work on it. Proof tested. What kind of proof y'all test on this bit? I'm just glad I found out that the shoe, like I said, bro, if y'all like this video, y'all like me knocking the dust off some shit. I didn't hit everything. But that's it, man. After I shoot this thing one more time, leave a like, comment, subscribe, big dog. I would shoot the 357 right there, but she ain't let me down. Why would I shoot the 357 if she didn't let me down? You feel me? Like, bro, look. Look. Yeah. Let me see. Okay, let us go see something right quick. We got a little baby Glock just in case something pop up. Walking up on the crime scene. That shit still smoking? I don't know. God damn. So, I guess the 12 gauge put an end to our amp, man. Come here. Let me talk to you. Oh. Well. Here. And you, my friend. I see these screeks through this bit, look. Well, that 12 gauge put in work through that bit. That's a shoot. I wonder if I could break that tree. Man. We gonna go ahead and get the fuck up out of here. I don't want to shoot my spray paint, but hey. Then you know. Man, look. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, bro. Other than this, bro, we out. I'm going ahead and drop the mag. But yeah, so one in. I missed it. I know what it was, though. I was trying to rush it. Finish off. Shit, aim, boy. Aim. Get that shit right, boy. Get that boy. Get that boy. Let me go get him. Come on, gang. Let's go get him. Oh, we got a runaway king. Oh, never mind, y'all. Bruh, I'll fucking that man's up out here, gang. I'll fucking dudes up out here. Oh, well. That's the end of this video, man. Let me clean up a little bit. Clean up. Everybody do your chore. Bro, I just want to come out here and have a little bit of fun, man. Ain't nothing too much, you know what I'm saying? Not too major. Find out that I only got a single shot. Oh yeah, down there in the goddamn comment section, bro. Y'all help me out. Y'all hear that? What that shit is? Is it the choke? Like, comment, subscribe. Say it with me. Like, comment, subscribe. One more time, bitch. Like, comment, subscribe. Yep, clear.